So this is lesson video 2. I'm going to show you my work. This is the home page. When we come down to the profile, you can see complete your profile. There's an extension of the registration page. Here we need to type a minimum of 10 digits for a phone number. So before that, let me show you that if you don't select anything, it's going to display an error message. Okay. And that solves it. And when we go over here, we select the list from a month, and then over here type this and type 2018, and when we're done, click save. Successfully save. The box would show up, and all we have to do is press OK. And over here, this would also list out what we just inputted, the last line over here. If you want to make some changes to it, you can change it 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we were to 32, this would be a 31, and if this is 20, this wouldn't work. So 2019, successfully saved.